Solaris Pro is perfect for varied use. From utilities, railway to the emergency services, it makes portable and fast work in the dark easy. The Solaris Pro has been designed to be easy to transport. The Solaris Pro has a shoulder strap for hands-free use. It offers wide-angled flood beam or long-distance search beam for different scenarios. The Solaris Pro is quick to set up. It features a built-in extension pole which extends to 6 feet or 1.8 meters. It has an IP65 weatherproof rating, and one charge can be programmed to last 24 hours. Stability ground pegs are available for use on uneven terrain. A multi-position mast, ideal for inspecting manholes. The Solaris Pro is powered by a maintenance-free rechargeable lithium battery. The Solaris Pro and our other products all pack away quickly, allowing you to get to the next job fast.